Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hollandaise sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and set up our workspace. You'll need 3 large egg yolks, 125 grams of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Also, prepare a double boiler by placing a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water, ensuring the bowl doesn't touch the water. This setup is key for gentle, even heating, preventing the eggs from scrambling. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's begin the magic. Place your 3 egg yolks and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice into the heat-proof bowl. Whisk these ingredients continuously over the simmering water for about 3 to 5 minutes. You'll notice the mixture gradually thickening and becoming a lighter, pale yellow color. It should be thick enough to form ribbons when you lift the whisk, a perfect sign that it's ready for the next step. This careful whisking builds the foundation for a stable emulsion. This is the most crucial step for achieving that classic Hollandaise texture. Slowly, in a very thin, steady stream, drizzle your 125 grams of warm, melted, unsalted butter into the whisked egg yolk mixture. It's vital to whisk constantly and vigorously throughout this process. This continuous motion helps the fat from the butter emulsify with the egg yolks, creating a smooth, creamy, and stable sauce. Patience here ensures a perfect, unbroken Hollandaise. Finally, let's perfect the flavor and consistency of your beautiful Hollandaise. Season it with a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper to your liking. These enhance the richness. If your sauce feels a bit too thick, you can whisk in a teaspoon of warm water, 1 drop at a time, until it reaches your desired consistency. Remember, Hollandaise is best served immediately. Enjoy this luxurious sauce with eggs Benedict, steamed asparagus, or pan-seared fish for an exquisite meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.